Hey drivers, today we're diving into the world of must-have car gadgets. These aren't just accessories, they're game changers for convenience, safety, and style. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, these top 10 Amazon finds are guaranteed to enhance your driving experience. Let's jump right in. Magic John Car Holder. First up, we have the Magic John Car Phone Holder. This isn't your average phone mount. It's engineered with ultra-durable aluminum alloy, ensuring it stands the test of time. The reinforced keys and dark lock anti-shaking design provide a super stable grip, keeping your phone secure even on bumpy roads. One of its standout features is the 360-degree universal 3-ball head, allowing you to adjust your phone to any angle for optimal viewing. Whether you're navigating through city streets or taking hands-free calls, this holder adapts to your needs. Plus, the vacuum suction cup is reusable. Simply wash it to restore its stickiness, making it both eco-friendly and cost-effective. It's compatible with a wide range of smartphones, accommodating devices from 4.7 inches to 7 inches. The sleek design ensures it complements any car interior, adding both functionality and style to your dashboard. Imagine effortlessly adjusting your phone's position while keeping your eyes on the road. Doesn't that sound like a must-have for your daily drives? 18-foot car capsule. For the car enthusiasts who treat their vehicles like prized possessions, the 18-foot Signature Series indoor car capsule is a dream come true. This isn't just a cover, it's a state-of-the-art vehicle storage solution designed to protect your car from dust, dirt, dings, corrosion, mildew, and pests. The car capsule features a 0.35mm clear PVC top cover that's over 25% thicker than standard models, providing a glass-like clarity to showcase your vehicle while keeping it protected. The base mat, resembling carbon fiber with a road design, is almost twice as thick as the original, offering enhanced durability. Equipped with a high CFM fan, it ensures continuous airflow, preventing moisture buildup, and maintaining a pristine environment inside. The IntelliCharge system not only powers the fan, but also acts as a battery tender, keeping your car's battery in optimal condition. In case of a power outage, it automatically switches the fan load to your car's battery and reverts when power resumes, ensuring uninterrupted protection. Imagine walking into your garage to find your car gleaming as if it just rolled off the showroom floor. With the car capsule, that's not just a dream, it's a reality. LISEN Charger. Tired of tangled cables cluttering your car? The LISEN retractable car charger offers a sleek solution with its 4-in-1 design, featuring retractable cables that keep things neat and organized. With a powerful 69-watt output, it supports fast charging for multiple devices simultaneously, ensuring your gadgets are always ready to go. Its compact and stylish design complements any car interior, and the universal compatibility means it works seamlessly with various devices, including the latest iPhone models. Whether you're on a long road trip or a quick drive, this charger ensures you stay connected without the mess of multiple cables. Imagine the convenience of fast charging your devices without the usual cable chaos. Isn't it time to upgrade your car charging experience? XTOOL AD20 Pro Scanner. Ever wished you could diagnose your car's health without a trip to the mechanic? The XTOOL Advancer AD20 Pro Wireless OBD2 scanner makes that possible. This compact device connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, providing real-time diagnostics for your vehicle. It offers full OBD2 functions, including reading and clearing engine codes, ABS, SRS, and oil light resets. Compatible with both iPhone and Android devices, it turns your smartphone into a powerful diagnostic tool. The performance test feature allows you to monitor your car's acceleration and braking performance, while the voltage test keeps an eye on your battery health. Imagine having the ability to troubleshoot issues and monitor your car's performance right from your phone. It's like having a personal mechanic in your pocket. GOOLOO Tire Inflator. Picture this. You're on a road trip miles from the nearest gas station and you get a flat tire. Enter the GOOLOO GT 160 Tire Inflator, a portable air compressor that's 3 times faster than standard inflators, capable of delivering up to 160 psi. Its cordless design, powered by a rechargeable battery, means you can inflate your tires anywhere, anytime. The digital pressure gauge allows for precise inflation, and the auto shutoff feature ensures you never overinflate. It's versatile enough to handle car tires, bike tires, and even sports equipment. Imagine the peace of mind knowing you can handle a flat tire situation without waiting for roadside assistance. With the GOOLOO GT 160, you're always prepared. AstroAI Pressure Gauge. Maintaining proper tire pressure is crucial for safety and fuel efficiency. The AstroAI Pencil Tire Pressure Gauge is a simple yet effective tool that provides accurate readings between 10 and 75 psi. Its stainless steel body ensures durability, and the compact design makes it easy to store in your glove compartment. The metal nozzle forms a secure seal with your tire valve, ensuring precise measurements every time. Regularly checking your tire pressure can extend tire life and improve gas mileage. Imagine the confidence of knowing your tires are always at optimal pressure, contributing to a safer and more efficient drive. Cordless Car Vacuum. A clean car interior isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a comfortable and enjoyable driving environment. The portable cordless car vacuum takes the hassle out of cleaning by combining power and convenience. With an impressive 35,000 PA suction strength, it can effortlessly handle dirt, crumbs, pet hair, and even small debris that accumulate in your car over time. What sets this vacuum apart is its cordless design, giving you complete freedom to clean without being tethered to an outlet. Its lightweight build makes it incredibly easy to maneuver, allowing you to reach under seats, into cup holders, and around tight corners with minimal effort. But that's not all. It also doubles as a blower, ideal for clearing dust from vents, dashboards, or other tricky spots that traditional cleaners can't handle. Whether you're tackling post-road trip messes, daily dust, or unexpected spills, this gadget makes maintaining a spotless car simple and quick. Imagine driving in a clean, clutter-free environment without the hassle of cords or frequent trips to the car wash. The portable cordless car vacuum delivers a high-performance clean, leaving your car interior looking and feeling fresh every time. AstroAI Cleaner. Streaks and smudges on your windshield can be both annoying and hazardous, impairing your visibility and increasing the risk of accidents. That's where the AstroAI Windshield Cleaner steps in to save the day. Designed with practicality in mind, this tool features an extendable handle that helps you easily reach every corner of your windshield, no matter how deep or angled it is. No more awkward stretching or twisting to get those hard-to-reach spots. The cleaner comes equipped with high-quality reusable microfiber pads that are both eco-friendly and effective. These pads are perfect for wiping away dirt, fog, condensation, and even stubborn streaks with minimal effort. Plus, they're washable, so you can use them again and again without worrying about waste or replacements. What makes the AstroAI Windshield Cleaner stand out is its compact and lightweight design. It fits neatly in your car, making it easy to carry around and always have on hand. Whether you're dealing with morning dew, dust from a long drive, or winter fog, this tool ensures a spotless windshield in no time. Imagine driving with crystal clear visibility, rain or shine, and knowing you're always prepared for any situation. The AstroAI Windshield Cleaner is small but mighty, delivering exceptional results for a safer and more enjoyable driving experience. Sense. Diffuser. Let's talk about ambiance. A pleasant-smelling car can instantly uplift your mood, and the Car Air Freshener's Sense Diffuser does just that. This sleek diffuser clips onto your car's air vents, releasing a gentle and consistent fragrance that transforms your car into a soothing oasis. The diffuser uses essential oil sticks, offering a natural and long-lasting scent that's free from harmful chemicals. With adjustable fragrance intensity, you can control the scent level to match your preferences. Its elegant design doubles as a decorative accessory, adding a touch of style to your dashboard. Imagine stepping into your car and being greeted by a delightful aroma every time. This diffuser isn't just a gadget, it's an experience. IIWEY Dash Cam. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Our final gadget, the IIWEY 54-channel Dash Cam. This isn't your ordinary dash cam. With 360-degree coverage, it records the front, rear, left, and right views of your car in stunning 1080p resolution. Equipped with 8 infrared lamps and night vision, this dash cam ensures clear footage even in low-light conditions. The built-in G sensor automatically saves footage when it detects sudden movements or collisions, making it invaluable for accident documentation. Plus, the parking mode keeps your car under surveillance even when it's parked. The 5G Wi-Fi and app control allow you to access and share footage directly from your smartphone, and it even comes with a free 128GB SD card for ample storage. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your car is monitored 24/7 and every drive is recorded in high definition. With the IIWEY 5, you're not just investing in a gadget, you're investing in your safety and security. So, these were the 10 amazing car gadgets. If you're ready to buy any of them, the links are in the description or the pinned comment below. But wait, if you want to discover even more car gadgets, click on this video to check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Drive safe.